Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button, also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next.
For Kano State Governor Abba Yusuf, who has been sacked by the state's governorship election petitions tribunal. His closest rival, the APC's Sèŕìous Yusuf Gawuna, has been declared winner of the poll. Arise correspondent Ayo Adenaya reports.
The venue to the entrance of the Kano State High Court is well manned by fierce-looking security operatives as few journalists, lawyers, party chieftains, and supporters are screened before gaining access to the court premises. Journalists were barred from using video cameras in the courtroom even before the commencement of the proceedings. They were only allowed to take shots of the premises. It was a surprise for many who later discovered that the judgment was set to be delivered virtually. The three-man panel, led by Justice Oluyemi Osadebe, upheld one of the major reliefs of the petitioner that Governor Abba Yusuf was not qualified as a registered member of the New Nigerian People's Party as at the time of the primary elections. The court also deducted 165,663 votes from Governor Abba Yusuf, stating that the ballot papers were not stamped or signed and therefore declared invalid. After all said and done, the presiding judge ordered the withdrawal of certificate of return, which INEC presented to Governor Abba Yusuf, and directed a certificate of return to be issued to Sèŕìous Yusuf Gawuna. Counsel to the All Progressive Congress, Musa Lawal, sheds more light on the judgment.
When we have filed this petition, we have clearly showed that the declaration by the then returning officer, was wrongly made. We filed this petition to show that, and clearly we have demonstrated it by bringing in invalid ballot papers, 165,000 of the ballot papers, and the court went through these ballot papers one after the other and confirmed that these ballot papers were not signed, stamped, and dated. And the law says it shall be signed, stamped, and dated.
It's natural. There's nothing we can say much, but just to thank the Almighty God. That's the only thing we can say, because the truth has been triumphed, and we can thank the judges. We thank our lawyers for the tremendous job they have done.
Counsel to the New Nigerian People's Party, Bashir Mohammed, says the party will appeal the judgment.
The judgment, the tribunal has delivered on judgment. We are going to consult our clients, and I can assure you that we are going to appeal against this judgment, because it's a judgment which we felt does not manifest the justice of the matter, and I can assure you this decision would be set aside on appeal.
Actually, the judgment has just come out. Now, as you can see, we are just coming out from the court, and what the court has just said, we accepted it. We have even highlighted our people yesterday that there is sign of injustice that is taking place in this court. Prior to what has happened, we inform our people that injustice may likely take place in this court, and we are appealing to our team supporters and the populace of Kano State that we are not taking it for granted. We didn't accept this judgment. We are appealing. Definitely, appeal will judge it better than this court.
It is over here at the Kano Election Petition Tribunal, where the three-man panel, led by Justice Oluyemi Osadebe, declared the candidate of the All Progressive Congress, Sèŕìous Yusuf, as the elected governor of Kano State. This ruling implies that the incumbent governor of the state, Abba Yusuf, has been sacked. The judgment has continued to spark reaction among both parties, while the All Progressive Congress and their supporters are already in the street celebrating and jubilating this judgment. The New Nigerian People's Party, their lawyers and their supporters said this particular judgment will be appealed at the Court of Appeal. The situation in Kano remains tense, even as security agencies appeal to political parties to caution their supporters to contain their reactions to the outcome of the judgment. Ayo Adenaye, Arise News, Kano.
Well, Kano State in the news from yesterday into this morning, Rufai. Take on the story. Well, the New Nigeria People's Party, NNPP, has described the judgment of the Kano State Election Petition Tribunal, which nullified the state's governorship election of March 18, 2023, as a miscarriage of justice and a simple replay of the unholy script of 2019 by overturning the will of the people and awarding election victory to those who evidently lost the election. In a statement by the NNPP acting national chairman, Abba Ali, they questioned the tribunal's decision to unfairly subtract 165,663 votes from Governor Abba Yusuf's tally in order to enable it to unfairly award the election result to the candidate of the All Progressives Congress, while in another breath affirming the votes tally of the APC as sacrosanct. Mr. Ali further insists that the NNPP will appeal the judgment while calling on the party supporters to maintain peace while seeking redress at the Supreme Court. And a 24-hour curfew has been declared in Kano State following the judgment. The state's Commissioner of Police says a combined team of security operatives have been dispatched across the city to enforce the curfew.
In view of the constitutional mandate of the Nigeria Police Force, alongside the relevant internal security and law enforcement agencies to preserve the law and order in the state, the Kano State Police Command have mapped out strategies on that direction and call on the good people of the state to give the necessary confidence and support. Going forward, Kano State residents are called upon to note that combined security forces have already been dispatched to the nooks and crannies, including the entry and exits of the state, to ensure enforcement and strict compliance of the 24 hours curfew order as communicated by the Kano State government via a letter with reference number K/SEC/H/435/T.1/153 dated 20th September 2023, taking effect from 6 p.m. of Wednesday to 20th September to 6 p.m. of Thursday, 21st September 2023.
All right, Rufai, take on the story.
Yeah, a lot is happening in Kano. At first, we'd like to call for calm. Please, everybody in Kano, calm things down. There's also an appeal, and the NNPP has a right to go to appeal. But I want to dial this matter back to a couple of weeks ago, where protests erupted in Kano over alleged attempt to bribe election tribunal. This was reported in the leadership newspaper about a month ago. And the talk then was about attempt to bribe election tribunal as regards the outcome of the elections. And some youths protested and they were received by the governor. That protest was beamed live on TV. We saw it. Then this happened. The truth is, I think it was Lord Denning that said, if a judge is sitting on trial, he himself is on trial. The judiciary of Nigeria is constantly on trial. But we must have no room for breakdown of law and order. In fact, during the protest that 1 month ago, the Kano State government was really miffed at the police authorities that they said, no, people shouldn't protest them. But now I'm happy that a curfew has been called. What are the facts of the case? Pure and simple. pre-election matters. The fact that the name of Abba Kabir Yusuf was not on there, on the NNPP register that was sent to INEC. This was one of the claims of the APC. They talked about overvoting. They talked about that the electoral materials were not stamped and the likes. And because of this, the court deducted 165,000 votes. The NNPP has kicked against it by saying, oh, because they 165,000 votes from us, what happened to the APC? The grand tally of the votes, I think what's it called? The APC had well over 50,000 votes. NNPP had over 1 million votes. After the deduction, they announced the APC winner. The NNPP has said, we're going to go ahead and make our grievances known in an appeal. So they should go ahead. Let us wait for the appeal. We can't afford to throw Kano into chaos. Kano is a cosmopolitan city, is a melting pot, goes a very, very long way in the peace and development and unity of Nigeria. So we'd like to beg the political actors, and let's see what the judiciary will say in the appeal. That's all I'm going to do this morning. I'm going to appeal. The facts of the case are out there. You can say anything you want to say, but we need peace in Kano.
All right, peace in Kano.
Okay. No. Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. Yes, so my people, as I tell you, I say I will come back. I don't come back, and I will come back. As soon as I see that video, when I watch, I will see them. I want more to leave on a comment for the comment section there. More to tell me how una see the matter, whether it good or it bad. If it good, make una let me know. If it still bad, make una still let me know. I need to bring and come give una will be my people where they here. Make una follow me shoot mouth put whether it dey good or it dey bad. So if it dey right, una still leave una comment below. If it dey bad, una still leave una comment below. Una remember say everybody gets freedom of speech. Okay, all right. Thank you very much. So if you dey watch me, you never subscribe, my brother, sister, I beg you in the name of God, make you hit that red button and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will get notification and you will constantly watch me. Thank you very much. See you again in my other video. I love you all. Bye bye.